Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 22, Example 5. In this example, we want to solve the inequality negative 2x is less than or equal to 5, write our answer in interval notation, and graph the solution set. Note that we solve linear inequalities in the same way that we do linear equations. We want to get our variable on one side, everything else on the other side, by using inverse operations. A new thing that we have to be careful about when working with inequalities is that if we are multiplying or dividing both sides of the inequality by a negative number, the inequality needs to change. If we are multiplying or dividing both sides by a positive value, the inequality stays the same. In this problem, it looks like the only thing we need to move to the other side is the negative 2. The inverse of multiplying by negative 2 is to divide both sides by negative 2. When we do this, we will get negative 2x over negative 2, and because we are dividing both sides by a negative number, we switch the inequality to greater than or equal to 5 over negative 2, which simplifies to be x greater than or equal to negative 5/2, which is our final answer to the inequality part of this problem. Next, let's write this in interval notation. The answer to this inequality is a closed interval because we are including the endpoint where x is equal to negative 5/2. Since we are including where x equals negative 5/2, we will use a boxed in with the negative 5/2. And note that any time we have infinity or negative infinity in interval notation, we always use a curved in on that end. So the final answer for the interval notation will be a boxed in with negative 5/2, comma, infinity with a curved in to give us the closed interval of negative 5/2 to infinity. Last, we need to graph this. The graph will look like the interval notation. We will have a bracket at negative 5/2, and to show everything greater than negative 5/2, we will shade in everything to the right of negative 5/2 for our final answer for the graph.